I have a few wet little birds here because I had to lock everybody up today, except for these guys. We had a bit of like a windstorm, rainstorm type of situation. Um, these guys went and hid out under their coop and they were fine, but I had to lock up the goats and shut the barn up pretty tight because it was windy. Like it was crazy, and it was like pouring rain intermittently, like just pouring rain. Anyways, these guys are very interested in being around me right now because I have some treats. Some of these are for the pigs, but I have some cantaloupe that I got on clearance from the markdown rack for $1. I just chopped up the rinds and the seeds are in here too, but I'm going to split these between the pigs, goats, and chickens. I have some bread here, again, stale old bread, going to be split between the pigs, goats, and chickens. And then I have some mini marshmallows. The guy that I got Herschel from, he's the little piglet, he said that mini marshmallows are a great way to train piglets. So I thought I would give that a try. I'm not going to give them very many because obviously it's just sugar, but I want them to love me, okay? But yeah, I'm going to give them some cantaloupe and some bread. You guys ready? You guys ready for treats? Hey. Haha, fighting over it. Sorry my camera work's not the best. I'm trying to do this with one hand. There you go. They love bread. So that's the chicken's bread, and then we have some cantaloupes. We're gonna throw them. She just comes ripping right out. They seem to be more interested in the bread than the cantaloupe. So far, the top of their list is bread and tomatoes. They love tomatoes. Let's see if there's any eggs today. I better be, because actually yesterday I got 6 eggs, which means that every one of my hens laid an egg. Oh my god, why is this box all the way over there? Probably because of the wind and rain that we had. Oh, better not be broken. Okay, so yeah, we have an egg in there. That is a green egg. Okay. These guys need some food, so I will have to do that. These guys are just fed a 18% protein layer pellet. And I usually give them 3 scoops. I have some more eggs here. So we're on, what, 4 now? And I don't see any up there. Sometimes they do lay up there. But yeah, I only feed them every couple days because they just eat what they eat. And they let me know when they're hungry. Believe you me. Look at you running around with some bread, champion. Okay. You don't like a cantaloupe, huh? Man, you're picky. You are picky. Okay, now we're gonna go give the goats. There's a baby goat in the background, that's not mine. We're gonna give the goats and the pigs some food. Okay, so I'm in with the goats. I just added the cantaloupe and the bread to their feed. They're having their dinner. Everything looks good in here. I filled up their hay. They should be pretty good for tonight. They have fresh water. We're all good. I pulled out a flake of hay for the pigs. And we're gonna go in there and give them their treats. So I'm in with the piglets right now. Just gave them a couple pieces of bread. I'm actually sitting on the ground, but it's in a cleaner spot. What do you got? What's this? What's this? They seem to be getting a little more friendly. Well, not friendly, but more curious. What's this? Hey, what are you doing? So Herschel's the little guy in the middle. I picked him up yesterday. You're okay. I picked him up yesterday. The other two are girls. They are a month older than Herschel. I don't have names for them yet. If you have any suggestions, I'm open to it. So I was kind of reading online that, you know, pigs are prey animals. They're very intelligent and they don't like strangers. So I'm assuming I'm still in stranger zone, and I probably will be for a little bit, but they seem to be a lot more curious and interested in coming up to see me. He got a little piece of bread that he's nibbling on. He's so small. He's so small. You a marshmallow? Here, marshmallow. You want cantaloupe? I chopped them up into little bits for these guys. What's this? I was kind of, you know, online doing research about the pigs, and basically pigs can get aggressive, and these guys are going to be pretty small. They're going to be on the smaller size than like a regular pig, like a farm pig. But I do not want to be in a position where these guys aren't friendly. I want them to trust me. I want them to be like my dog, you know? So I'm out here socializing with them a little bit, making sure that they know that I'm not here to hurt them. Herschel. Whoop. They haven't gone outside yet because they are so skittish. I'm afraid that if we let them outside, that we're not going to be able to get them back in. Gary's at the door whining. You want a marshmallow? Oh, yum, yum. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Oh, he's getting brave. You're getting brave. So the black one with the white feet is apparently Peanut. That's what they were calling her. Peanut. Come here, pig, 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 pig. You're okay. Come here. What's this? Oh, you're fine. Here. 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 You're okay. Look at it. She's coming. It's okay. Here. Yum yums. Yeah, it's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. Here. Here, what's this? You're so cute. You guys want some bread? I know you do. Here, Herschel. Oh, he's so cute. Here. You hungry boy. Yeah. You hungry pig. There she goes. They seem to like the bread a lot. Yeah. Here. You're fine. You go. Here. There you go. Gary, no. Hi, bud. Oh, Gary. He's so cute. He's so cute. You okay? Gary. Probably want proper dinner by now, I think, hey? You want your actual dinner? You seem pretty comfortable now for the most part. What are you doing? Okay, yeah, I'm scary, I know. I'm so scary. Okay, second last stop of the night. Just checking on these guys. As you can see, they're getting very big. It's amazing how fast they grow. Pretty sure this one on the right is a rooster. I've already kind of talked about that, but there's no guarantees. I will find out eventually. He's got pretty thick legs and stuff too. Oh, I found a bug. I found something. Maybe not a bug, maybe just something floating around. The yellow ones look like little scragamuffins. I just about did a friggin' face plant. So I was putting their feet in here and I stepped up on this ramp and it's so slippery. I almost slid and smashed my face off of this ledge. But I was lucky enough that I grabbed the door frame and was able to catch myself. But yeah, I would have done a face plant for sure. So I'm done feeding them. They have water, blah, blah, blah. Looks like Mike is up because I can see the TV on. But yeah, I'm just going to come out later when these guys are tucking themselves in and shut the door behind them. And that's it for farm chores this evening. Go get my eggs and go home.